time since I have not been doing math, so I'm gonna go to Dunkin' and go read.
Hi friends, so dumating ang parcel ko. We will be unboxing a parcel before we go to Dunkin'. Yeah, same company lang, kaya inisa na nila. So, I went for the designless, so I could design it myself. Yeah, it's 2 packages in one. Look. Okay, this one is my stickers. Ah, it's here! I got excited. Ngayon ko lang na-realize I'm cute. It's cute. Make yourself proud. I bought 4 packages of stickers because wala lang, trip ko lang. And then, next, we have my planner. Okay, it's not yet too late. I know February na, but I can't seem to kailangan ko ng template for my planning. And it takes me too much time if I do it on my own. It's here. I gotta see it, guys. Oh, it's still a Kinbor pala. It's still Kinbor, but hindi na siya as designed as the other ones. Oh, cute! Oh, where's that app? What I like about Kinbor is it's undated, so I could start February and it's okay. Oh, it's here. It's cute. Okay. Maybe in my next vlogs, marami na siyang laman. Alam niyo yung video yung birthday na, tapos pagka end of the year, mataba na siya. I'm gonna do that. I got my first Kinbor, guys. Wow! I'm so used to raw dogging my journals. Kasi, trip ko lang. Bakit ba? Same as for my stickers. I cut my own stickers. Pero now, I got tired already. I have a lot of stickers pa. Pero these are cute. I saw this sa BFF ko, and I wanted one too. Not in an envy type of way. In a, I must have it too type of way. Because it's cute. So yun. Yan ang haul natin. I'm gonna go to Dunkin' now. Maybe I'm gonna start personalizing this also. See ya. Hi friends. Nalampas na pag ko baba sa kuang where I was supposed to drop myself. Yun ang talagang term ko, drop myself. I'm gonna go to Mr. DIY pa pala. Because I have to buy a notebook for my commonplace. Kasi ang kapal ng commonplace notebook ko, I need the thinner one. Then, I will also go to Dunkin' right after. Read, personalize my Kinbor, and see where my day goes. Yun. Ay, dito palang mic ko. Wait.
Hi friends, Edit Shira here. So, na-off pala yung mic ulit. Please. So, I was checking on the stickers and I would have rocked this nung elementary. Then, they also have sticky notes and I went off to look for, yes, wipes. Pang wipes ng shoes ko because it's dusty as heck. It's not for shoes. I know. And I went on to check on some shades. This one looks bad on me. I thought I looked cool, okay. I think that this one slapped. I think kung gusto mo mag-check ng shapes ng frames, punta ka na lang ng Mr. DIY. Tapos may nakita kong cute. Ito, hindi tao ha. Tote bag, sunny side up. Went on to check on some notebooks.
It's so cute. But the lines are too far apart. Too far apart. Ay, this one, oh. It's pink. Manipis lang siya. So I can easily fill it up and feel accomplished. It's light. Thank you pa. Ito hindi kita sa topic. Got the goods. I'm off to Dunkin'. Thank you. And we're back. Thank you, Mr. DIY. Guys, feel ko talaga Naka-socks ako right now because my pants are so long. Oh my God. Yun lang naman. Maglalakad lang tayo ng Dunkin. Malapit lang naman eh. Ganda ko talaga. Like, what the freak? So, this, alala, I'm trying to get used to like vlogging in public. You know, ha, uh, I'm a walker, like a fast walker. I hate slow walkers. But at the same time, I don't judge. I just despise them. Hala, I wanna eat chicken. Wala pa pala akong nag-lunch. Tapos magdadangkin ako. Gusto kong mag-soft drinks. Wala, nasa pisado. May family fried. Should we go eat first? Huwag na. Gastos. Wala, i-feed niya siya. Pero gusto ko ng Mountain Dew. Should I Mountain Dew first? Bawal kasi mag-bring ng Mountain Dew sa loob. Whatever. That's Dunkin'. We're at Dunkin' na. Let's go order. Brown sugar po. Hi friends, so we're finally at Dunkin' and I finally settled down. So I have my small hot coffee. I used to order medium but I never always finish it. So I ordered small na lang this time. I didn't eat so I also ordered K1. Wow, kita nyo. Yan. Nag-note si Daron nang gusto niya ng K1. Kaya nag-K1 ako. Also got myself a donut. It's strawberry filled. I was supposed to order pineapple filled. I don't know why I ordered strawberry filled. Maybe it's the missing Baguio in me. Missing Baguio in me. Anyway, yeah, I also told myself that I'm gonna pack light, but I did not. Alam nyo, my bag is screaming help. It's heavy. It's very heavy. So let's do a what's in my bag. Lahat na to. Lahat na ng idea ng content ilagay na natin sa isang video. What's in my bag? Okay, so first is my headphones. I need that, okay? I get overwhelmed sometimes that I need to like tune out of the world and tune into me. Anong nasa bag ko? First, meron akong tripod. Just because I might need it. I have a lot of just because. And yung kanina, yung ano ko, yung parcel ko, dumating na yung stickers ko. Ita-transfer natin yan dito. Sa sticker lalagyan ko. Wait a minute. Okay. I also have this for my, kasi ano yan, for my iPad. It's not iPad feeling. Tablet lang siya, girl. It's Samsung A8. A8? 800? I don't know. It's my 8 siya. I swear my 8 siya. And I also have my, kasi i-customize ko nga yung kinboard ko. Yung kinboard ko. Kasi gusto ko na parang may anak ako. Top 1. Ganun. I also have my stars. I actually have a lot of stars sa bahay. I just brought these because I only need these, okay? Then, I have my pencil case. This is actually like, dati pa talaga lalagyan ito ng makeup ng ate ko. But like, it's mine now. Yun. Yun, dami kong gamit. Wait lang. O yun, nasa my table. Oh, ganun siya kagulo. Ayusin natin yan in a while. Then I have here my makeup. In this, hindi ko nilalagay. Kasi hindi siya nakalagay sa isang packet. And my perfume. Then my susi. Then, my fan. Then my charger. And then my power bank and my other mic is inside here. So, that's everything in my bag. My poor old bag. And I'm gonna insert this pa thing that I bought. May ano, Mr. DIY purchase. I'm gonna fill this with academic stuff.
Have you seen how my face lights up every time I show you stationery? And like, here's me preparing my coffee, and I started fixing na my table. It was not fixed, okay? It was in an organized chaos. It was in a way that I understood it. I personalized my Kinbor and also wrote a bit sa study ano ko. I made a study log. After that, I studied and also read a book na titled Conversations on Love by Natasha Lan. So,
Yeah. So yeah, I made a note to myself and then I made a study log. So every time I study, no matter how long, I'm gonna add a star. So that's gonna be it. Or at least hindi measured by, hindi ako pressured to study. Hindi measured by how long I studied basehan ko. It's how many times I showed up. So, yan ang gusto kong matutunan ng self ko na dapat consistent tayo. Because I'm a master crammer and I know that in this adult world, hindi siya mag-work. We all go through it. You have to be a loser at some point of your life to really enjoy the feeling of being a winner. Napaka-common sense lang, bye. Alright, friends, that has been my day. I was able to write, I was able to read, and I was able to stimulate my mind. So I think that for me is a perfect day. And I'm so grateful for the privilege of time and freedom as of the moment because there's not much pressure, but I swear it's like piling up. So that's it. It's here at Yums for you, and see you again next time.